Yo, YouTube, I am back. Stronger, better, faster, smarter. GoldFX Trader here. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so we're definitely gonna be trying to provide you guys with way more content here. And we're gonna go at this like real talk. Like, it's been a minute since I've been gone, but I've been doing a lot of studying on the charts, just giving my own, putting my head down, just looking at the charts, studying for 5 months. It's been quite a long time since I have come back to YouTube, but we're gonna take this serious and we're gonna try to, provide content to you guys as much as we can. Obviously, I'm just free flowing this situation. Maybe it might be better or whatnot, but I'm just gonna be me. GoldFX Trader here for you. But at the same time, just side note, I am also trading the S&P, something that I found in love with my style, which is swing trading, which is primarily holding. But obviously with FTMO, that's not an option to swing trade. You can swing trade the day, but when the 4 o'clock hour hits, you gotta cut off, or whatever time zone you're in. Obviously I'm central here, so in the US. You can guess where I'm at, but that's up to you. I'm not gonna comment on that. But anyways, let's get to the charts. What have I realized? I've realized that EMAs are pretty powerful, for direction, just to kind of get the flow of the chart. But again, the key is price action. So let's dive in. I'll try to make this video real quick and get on my day here as we are quarantined. I hope everybody is staying safe. Make sure you wash your hands. Anyways, let's just go to a random date. Okay, let's say, okay, here. Probably should jump on TradingView. That's our, let's say MT4. So let's say we start this day. So I'll talk you guys through the thought process, okay? So first thing first, we gotta understand the previous day, what happened. The previous day, what happened was that market opened here. It ran up and create a resistance level here, and we got kangaroo tails on both sides. So what happened? It pulled back, retest, pull back to the trend line, retest the high, and sellers were like, all right, enough is enough. Time to put the nail down on these buyers and make them suffer. So what do they do? And there's a lot, and again, there's a lot of order around this round number, which is 1669 level. And what happens? The moment that candle closes, we're tanking. Straight down. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Keep things to look at. Look at the volume. That's when people got in. They're like, ooh, that's a key price. And then we're getting some retail traders who thinks like, oh, it's a big pullback. It's probably continuation. Let's shoot up for the stars in the skies. Nope. Psych. And what you met with? Seller pressure. Straight back down. And it was kind of consistent, right? Whipsawing, to almost like there's no price move because the candle will go down. $799 pips, and it will return, and it will go down and return. And but you gotta look at, hey, it broke that low. Oh, it went up, but it did not break. It did not close below that high where it opened previously. So it's still in the downtrend. The counter trend worked, yeah. If you're in a lower time frame, it may have worked, but if you held and you put break even, you would break even. If you took profit, great. But if you try to swing it, if you try to hold it longer than that 15-minute, you're screwed. It came right back down to the starting point, and then what happened? It came back out, gave it some hope, and then eventually, bye-bye. You're basically out of the market. You're taken out. Well, not. That's why price action is so key. That's why you have to understand what price is doing, setting higher highs, understanding wicks, understanding what the candles are doing. And you're not going to understand everything. But if you at least respect the story that it's telling you. You are already along the line of in the right mindset to be successful. But if you keep thinking like it's gonna go up, I don't know, it's just too low. I know. Like, are you crazy? Are you kidding me? Like, come on, dude. Come on, guys. Be realistic. This is an art. This is a profession. Take it real. Be serious about it. Don't just guess. 50-50. Russian roulette, you don't have the edge. You think you do, but I'm just telling you, go ahead and play that game. You will lose. You'll cry. You'll hate yourself. Be stressed out. And if you won't just listen to my advice and just say, understand the craft for your game. Keep the charts clean so you have a key idea of where directions. For example, I know this is backtesting. I know this is looking in the past, but don't belittle this situation. Don't belittle this practice because it's very, very important to your education. Very important to how you get yourself to the next steps, next level. We're about leveling up. We're not about dimming you down. We're not about holding your hand. Let's get to the point where we understand a chart and we can read it and we can tell, we can explain things. Or you don't even have to be the smartest guy, but at least you understand the direction and what the candles are telling you, what the story is. Understand the freaking story before you judge somebody, right? Understand the freaking story before you think that this is the correct direction. Markets are so volatile. Markets are just like human beings. You may meet a person and be like, "Hey, what's up? Oh, you sound pretty cool. You sound, like we hit it off, right?" But next thing you know, confrontation happens. Conflict comes up. You address them. They just blow up on you, right? Just like trading. You think this is the right situation, but what do you know? The market is waiting for you and going to take your money if you don't respect it enough and understand the risk parameters. And again, this is a zero-sum game, so you got to understand where you're at, how you manage your risk.